What's going on YouTube? R2R Moto here, and wait a minute, that's not correct. Hold on, let's start this video over again. Alright, that's more like it. Anyway, what's going on YouTube? R2R Moto here. And obviously by the title of the video, I keep doing that. I just tried to shift up the 6th and it just isn't there. You would think I would already know this since I've owned this bike for quite some time. But nope, still gets me about once or twice every ride. What the fuck? The hell was that guy doing? Anyway, as you guys can see by the title of this video is basically just going to be me thanking you guys. Thanking all of you who have liked the content, who have subscribed to the channel, who have commented on the videos, whether they be positive or negative. Both have basically helped me in growing this channel and making content that I know you guys want to see, content that I feel happy with putting out, and hopefully content that you guys will continue to watch over the future, and the channel will continue to grow and get bigger and better over time. So rather recently we hit 100 subscribers on this channel, and it's a number I never really ever expected to hit on this channel. I mean, I really can't say enough about the people who have basically commented on all the videos, or most of the videos, or any of the videos honestly, with just feedback or saying it's a good video, saying it's a bad video, telling me what you liked about it, anything of that nature. All of you guys who've ever commented, who've ever liked the video, who've subscribed to the channel, like I said earlier, I just want to say thank you to you guys. I really do appreciate your support on this channel. Now, obviously, we have big things coming to this channel. And by big, I mean tiny, but big, I don't know how to really explain this to you. If you saw the beginning of the video, you know what I'm talking about. That video will be coming out next week, so stay tuned for that. I actually can't wait to have fun with that. If you didn't watch the beginning of the video, for some reason you just turned the video on and was like, I'm just gonna listen to this instead, watch the beginning of the video, see what's coming new to the channel. It's a little sneak peek to those of you who watch this video. Obviously, like I said, next week the new video will be coming out. So until then, you guys will just be left with that sneak peek. But yeah, for the first time in what is the history of my channel, of me saying this is just going to be a short little video, this for once is actually just going to be a short little video. But anyway, if you guys aren't subscribed to the channel and you're watching this video, hit that subscribe button to see more content in the future. And like I always say, if you guys enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe to see more content in the future. And until next time, peace. Jesus, what is with people crossing the yellow line today? That's the second time I've gone fast and someone's decided to cross the yellow. I think people are getting target fixation. They're just staring at me on this bike and they're like, I'm gonna hit that guy, or I'm gonna ruin that guy's day. I hate this turn. I was gonna go that way, but all right, fuck it. Also, I'm in 5th going 35. That's a no-no.